Sometimes a simple shift in structure is enough to make a design feel completely new. Today, how to design flexible visual layouts. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert multiple frames of different sizes and place them in a loose, adaptive arrangement instead of a strict grid. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them carefully for harmony. Select the background and apply a soft gradient or neutral tone. Slightly rotate one frame and overlap another to introduce natural movement. Add thin connecting lines with reduced opacity to guide the viewer's eye. Use position tools for final alignment while keeping flexibility in the layout. Add minimal text